In this video, I will show you how to use the best teleprompter in the world. That's a secret of all the stars use. Even me, I use it all the time. So you don't have to keep your text or whatever you have to do for your video. I have something to show you, and let's go to my computer so I can see. You can see this wonderful app called Bigvu, and you will see, you will be blow off your mind. So look at me at the other side. Yeah, this is Danielle from BigVuPro, and yes, of course, I will show you on my computer the wonderful app called BigVuPro, and this is so wonderful. You just, it's gonna blow your mind. Like I say, they blow my mind at the same time. A lot of people don't know about this app, so let's right away start. And when you inside, first of all, you have to go to BigVuPro TV. You get the link right there, and I will put it under my video. And each time you want to start something, don't go all over the place. You will have something. This is all my video I did. So you go with new script. And when you go on new script, you get the space to do all your work. And that's the working space. So what you have to do is find a text that you had already done in, let me see, I will go get it, copy, and you just go copy and paste, and you paste it, and voila, you get all your title. You have all your text. So I did my text in ChatGPT, of course. Before anything you want to do, I would suggest to do. It's always important to, I just take the first part and I put it as my title, and I had some stuff. So this is a base, and you can add some stuff. A big view installation. So you got all that. They give you AI rewrite also if you want to go there and say I want to have this rewrite, and rewrite. You pick your topic: neutral, friendly, professional, whatever, and you can put your text there. And that's wonderful because they have EI. Sorry, it's only for small text right now. Sometimes for an intro, you see, write a new. So it's very fun to go. Sometimes you just want to change a bit or just a paragraph or something. So you see, to get started with Bigvu, launch the app, So they take the first thing. So it's always good to, if you're very interesting about a subject, just go and research a subject, and after that put it in ChatGPT, and after that, if you want to change it again, you have this option. But don't worry about that. You don't have to do that. We're just gonna go straight for the practice. You can read it before, so you press play. 3, 2, 1. Good way to practice your speed. Download and install. Start by downloading BigVuPro, and see, you go with your speed, and you go. If you're not good in the beginning, that's normal. So the read button is very, very nice for that. So after that, when you read it a couple times, when you practice, you can go for the record version. So we'll see that. I can go for my text, and so read and record. So this is where you see yourself right there. So I'm in my place to record myself. So we just press on the button. After you press the read and record, not only the read one, because before we were practicing, download and install, start downloading Bigvu Teleprompter. It's available on both Android and iOS. Sign up, log in, launch your Bigvu app, and either sign up for a new account and log if you already have one. Create a new project, tap on New Project button to creating a new teleprompter script. I'm practicing here, but you can, just Don't be shy. So you get it. When you stop, it's giving you you preview. You can watch it, download and install. Start by downloading the Bigvu Teleprompter. You see, I went fast, but I can do, yeah, sometime 5 or 6 redo, record again, and there's no problem with that. So don't worry about being perfect for the first one. Do it again, redo your text till you like it. I got a green screen, but I will show you a little bit later in the next video how to change your green screen in this same app, and that's so wonderful. And if I like it, I go upload the project, and the project's going into my, I take a couple minutes, but it's going into the bureau. So you see, this is all my previous video. I will show you. You see, it's right there. Give you a little tips because you stay till the end. So I go right here, go edit, I go to the three little stop, replace background, and I already have some that I download, and I just had it. If I don't like this one, depending of which one I want, but you get it. And it's uploading with my background. And when I'm finished, I put it. I download to my YouTube, to my Facebook, or all over the place that I want. And you see how fast it is to do your video with a teleprompter, and that's what I suggest. And don't forget to subscribe to this wonderful Bigvu channel because I have a lot and other one that's so amazing about how to do your video. And I know that's big stress for a lot of people. This is Danielle for BigVuPro, and I wish to see you in the next one, which I will show you how to pick up your background. See you soon.